Hi everyone, welcome to this video. All of us know about the undergraduate programs at BITS Pilani. Either you can join the B Farm program or the engineering program or the dual degree program in which you complete your engineering as well as Masters of Science. But recently, BITS Pilani launched a new set of programs called as the 2+2 programs. So basically, this program is about you spending 2 years in BITS Pilani and the next remaining 2 years in any of the partner institutes of the college. This was started between two universities, that is BITS Pilani and RMIT in Melbourne, Australia. And over the last 2-3 years, the collaborations have been increasing, and now BITS Pilani is collaborating with over 3 universities. These 3 universities are RMIT Melbourne in Australia, Iowa State University in the US, and University of Buffalo as well in the US. This program was first started in the year 2023 with the college RMIT in Melbourne, and now you get more than 3 universities that you can study at. We were getting a lot of doubts in our comment section as well as the Photo Club community because so many students are interested to pursue their studies abroad, and this is the perfect opportunity for anyone who wants to do their degree in engineering from Australia or US. This video is dedicated to all of the doubts and queries that the students interested in 2+2 programs have asked us, and we have invited Abhist, who is the RMIT student representative of BITS Pilani Goa campus. All of the doubts that we have been getting in our comments and DMs will be answered throughout this video. And if you have any more doubts, then you can go and comment them in the comment box. All right, so we have Avi from BITS Pilani Goa campus, as you can see behind, and he is a first year student here. And he was also in Photo Club last year. So that's how we met each other.
Yeah.
हम लोग मतलब honestly बताओ तो we were just walking in the A side and I
Yeah,
happened
वहाँ
to cross him
right,
वहाँ पे.
right.
And I was like, it was the first time I met someone who was doing RMIT, the 2+2 program. So I took his number and I was like, I want to shoot a podcast with you before I move outside
Yeah.
campus. Okay? So
Yeah.
Avi, before proceeding with this video,
Yes.
I want you to give an introduction about yourself, because मैंने तो बता दिया थोड़ा बहुत about 2+2 programs, but
Yes.
Who is Avi?
Hi guys, my name is Abhist. I am a 2+2 student, first year at BITS Goa RMIT CS program. So this is my first year here, and I'm the student rep as well for the RMIT campus.
Student rep is student representative.
Yeah, student representative. This
Lingo.
yeah, this lingo, BITS lingo. So yeah, you can ask me anything. And I'll be able to clear all your doubts because this is what I did in the second semester. I ran all over the campus from UGSD to
Yeah.
Student Welfare Division to clear these things out.
Definitely. I have a list of questions that I want to ask you.
Sure.
And some of them are my own questions.
Okay.
Some of them are the questions that I got from comments as well as some of the students in Photo Club. So, firstly, to yaar, matlab, before even asking about like the technical details of the course, can you explain the students what is BITS 2+2 international program?
So basically, BITS 2+2 international program is a collaboration with international colleges, where BITS partners with RMIT in Australia, UB in US, and Iowa State University in US. So basically, you stay the first 2 years across the all three campuses in BITS, and the third and fourth year you do it from the respective partner university
Okay.
in USA or either Australia. The one thing which I like the most about this is you get degrees from both the colleges and separate degrees, so that
Okay.
like no one will be able to differentiate if you are from BITS 2+2 or a normal student.
Got it. So, you mentioned that you get the degree from BITS as well as the partner university. So, will you say that this is a good opportunity for someone who wants to either study abroad or get a job abroad?
For someone who has made up his mind that he wants to study abroad, it is one of the best options because one, you get the degree for less price as compared to if you do the all four of those years abroad, right? And yeah, it is better opportunity for you guys who wants to study abroad.
Okay.
And one more point I would like to add is here you go abroad when you're around 20-ish years old, right? So going at 18 and going at 20 makes a huge difference. So you're more mature than you're at 18. So that makes more sense as well.
Okay. Okay. That's a good thing, yaar,
Yeah.
Avi. This brings me to the next question.
Yes.
That is generally in like a lot of people, what they do is they answer SAT, AP, जो ACT वो सब test होते हैं,
Yes.
and they plan to study 3 or 4 years abroad, है ना? So I'm assuming that the fees of this program would be relatively less as compared to purely pursuing a degree abroad. So can you give me a little bit more detail about how the fee structure of RMIT, UB, and IIC works?
If you go abroad via SAT to US or anywhere else, it's way more expensive than this program. The program here costs, like if you go US via Ford, normal what US grads do, it'll cost you around 2.5 CR, like with the living expenses included. But here it is around 1 CR with the living expenses included. So that's like
better.
that's better. And for my college, RMIT, it costs me around 54 lakhs tuition, and the staying expenses over there is 20 lakhs for 2 years. So it's around 74 lakhs ka degree.
Okay.
But if you go normally, it will be more expensive, way more expensive. It will reach around 1.6, 1.7 CR easily.
Okay.
So,
Okay. That brings me to another question.
yes.
That I have heard that there are some separate type of scholarships available for international students in RMIT, UB, and मतलब in general normal जो BITS पे scholarship होती है merit based and merit come need based. Are there any scholarships that students who are pursuing international programs at BITS get?
As soon as I am telling you this for RMIT, as soon as you get enrolled in this thing, the Australian government grants you a 20% scholarship on the Australian side of fees.
Okay.
For the RMIT fees.
Okay.
I said 54 lakhs including that scholarship.
ठीक है.
So the actual fees for us was 70-ish lakh rupees. After that 20% scholarship, we got it for around 54 lakh tuition fees.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what would you say? Is there any scholarship for the US colleges like Buffalo and Iowa State?
So as far as I know, US वाले students के लिए भी scholarships हैं for both Iowa and UB students, but that's a very complex system, so I'll put that on the screen.
So इसका मतलब scholarships हैं.
Yeah, scholarships
And
हैं.
if you study well and if you maintain a CGPA, I think BITS maybe you'll get merit come need scholarship or merit scholarship.
I'll tell you something. One guy from RMIT has scored 9.33 CGPA. वो 50% स्कॉलरशिप लेके जा रहा है, लाइक मेरिट स्कॉलरशिप लेके जा रहा है वो. तो
So it is possible. मतलब when you are in BITS, you can avail the scholarships in BITS.
Yeah.
While you're in RMIT, I'm pretty sure कि वहाँ पे भी maybe there might be some academic scholarship. जो
Yeah,
भी है,
there is.
But you have to study there.
But
and you have to maintain
study.
a
Yeah,
GPA.
you have to maintain A's in all
A's,
the
okay.
courses, which is above 80. You have to score above 80.
Got it. So जैसे 3 partner institutes हैं और इंडिया में 3 campuses हैं, तो are all the branches available in all the campuses या फिर is there any split?
नहीं.
I think there's some split.
The branches are spread across 3 campuses. जैसे RMIT का CS is in the Goa campus,
Okay.
ECE and EEE is in the Hyderabad campus, and Mechanical and Civil is in the Pilani campus. Yeah.
Okay.
For UB, ECE is in Goa campus, Mechanical is in Hyderabad campus, and CS and EEE is in Pilani campus. And same for the Iowa State University. It is spread across the different campuses.
ठीक है. I've heard that BITS is in talks to partner up with more
Yeah.
institutes. How true is that thing?
It is true. There are some European institutes in talk with BITS, and as well as American Institute, which is in talk with us to partner.
So you would say that there would be more branches in
Yes,
the future,
yes.
more opportunities to go in a different country probably.
Yeah, and different, like you
environment,
have to, like next year you might go out to Europe as well.
Oh, okay. So you're saying that European University भी ठीक है.
Partner कर रही है.
Cool. So these are some insider information, guys, by the way, मतलब because publicly अब तक nothing is out as we are recording this video, but because he is a representative, so
We get
information.
Yeah.
Nice. Cool. ठीक है. So इतने सारे branches हैं and we some were understood कि there's a very big opportunity and that's why probably the demand is growing in the last 2 years.
Yes.
So tell me one thing that in your case specifically,
Yeah.
when you were in your 12th standard and you were preparing for JEE and BITSAT,
Yes.
what was your reason to choose BITS RMIT?
One of the things is I'm a dropper. I scored 251 in the exam with SAT. I was like, due to the sudden rise in the cutoff exam, I was getting MSc Chem and something like that on that score. But I did not want to do a 5-year degree after my drop year. And I had a slight interest in CS as well. So I went to this program. And the good thing for me is this program, the CS program was not there last year, right?
Okay.
And when I saw this opportunity, I studied about it. I saw the course structure and it was in my interest. So I just joined this.
ठीक है. Did you have any interest of going abroad and going to Australia?
Yes, I did. I always thought of going to US first, but then I saw that this is cheaper than the US program and Melbourne is a great city. So after that, and RMIT is a great university as well. So after that, I did this.
Got it. Alright, so that means you were interested to pursue this 2+2 program in BITS.
Yes.
But मैंने जब सुना इस program के बारे में, I was in third year and उस समय पे मुझे तो बहुत सारे डाउट्स आए थे यार कि अचानक से ऐसे 2+2 प्रोग्राम आ गया, व्हाट आर द कॉम्प्लिकेशंस ऑफ इट एंड व्हाट आर द सिस्टम्स दैट वर्क. So did you have any doubts? Did you go through any sort of problems while registering?
ट्रस्ट मी, मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा डाउट्स थे.
हाँ.
मतलब आई डिड ऑल ऑफ द रिसर्च अलोन. मेरे एक रिलेटिव है जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में रहते हैं, सो आई हैड टू गो थ्रू देम एज वेल.
Okay.
बट ऐसा कुछ लाइक इस प्रोग्राम के लिए कुछ नहीं था मेरे पास उस
हाँ.
टाइम, राइट? सो एंड बीइंग द न्यूअर थिंग, तो और कुछ नहीं था. सो उस टाइम काफ़ी डिफिकल्टीज थी, जेन्युइनली थी.
Is that because it's a new program and now you are trying to become the representative and try to get doubts cleared
Well,
faster? ताकि
yeah.
आपको-
There's nothing wrong in helping others,
Yeah,
right? So,
definitely. So just like Abhish, there were many students in Fodu Club last year who were facing problems with registering and applying for this 2+2 program. So there were many students in Fodu Club who asked us doubts about how to go about the application process, how to study and prepare for IELTS, because there is an IELTS cutoff as well, and how do you go about the entire visa process and the other technicalities of the 2+2 program. We did not have any products or resources to help you last year, but this year we have worked with many Bitsians who are pursuing the 2+2 program, ISU, RMIT as well as UB, to make a product called the IELTS Prep as well as the BITS 2+2 counseling product to help you with this entire process of registering and studying in BITS 2+2 program. This program is split in two parts, IELTS Prep and BITS 2+2 counseling. In the IELTS preparation section, you get 5 mock tests for IELTS, which are made by students who have scored 8 band, even 9 band in their IELTS test. You will get detailed information about each section of IELTS, that is reading, writing, listening, and speaking. We will also train you properly in all of the sections. And lastly, because most of the JEE and BITSAT aspirants do not dedicatedly prepare for IELTS, we are going to tell you how you can ace it and get the minimum cutoff easily. The second section of the product is the BITS 2+2 counseling. In this, you will get videos and interaction with students who are pursuing these programs. You are going to be added to an exclusive community of Bitsians who are pursuing this program where you can ask your doubts. There'll be many live sessions. You can ask any doubts you have. And moreover, you'll also be run through the entire counseling as well as the form filling process. If you don't know, last year many students faced problems with filling the application form for RMIT, as you have to do it separately on their website. But this year we have made a very streamlined process to help you out with that so that you don't face any problems. If you want to give IELTS mock tests and if you want to ace IELTS, then the other programs available in the market are really expensive. But to make it affordable and accessible to students who are JEE and BITSAT aspirants, we have brought it down to a very affordable price for this program. So if you are someone who has not scored enough in BITSAT, the cutoffs have been rising for these programs in the last 2 years. So you can consider joining these new programs. And if you need any help with this entire registration process, do go to the link in the description and check out our product. We are going to help hundreds of students this year to join the 2+2 program. One more question. I mentioned about the IELTS thing.
Yeah.
So apart from BITSAT, क्या करना पड़ता है to get into these colleges? Are there any other exams? या फिर कोई eligibility criteria अलग सा कुछ तो?
Like you have to clear the normal eligibility criteria bits ka, which is 75% wala thing,
Okay.
and 60% each in physics, chemistry and maths. Apart from that, you'll have to give IELTS या TOEFL या कोई भी ऐसा English proficiency test जो वो college specifically लेता है.
Okay.
Like RMIT does not take the Duolingo test as their proficiency test, but other two campuses
IELTS
do,
वाले, okay.
I guess.
Like
Duolingo.
the person who's recording this video is actually from University of Buffalo, so we are confirming some information
Yeah.
with him while we make the video. तो RMIT में TOEFL and
TOEFL,
IELTS.
IELTS ये सब
separate.
लिया जाता है.
And US
And Pearson
में-
PET करके एक
Okay.
टेस्ट होता है, you have to take that. And for RMIT you have to apply in the BITS portal for the counseling. And then in the RMIT portal as well, you have to submit a few documents
Okay.
here and there.
I think for the US universities there will be all of these exams plus Duolingo.
Plus
also.
Duolingo test is
Okay.
also accepted
Okay.
in the US.
Okay. So apart from these, apart from the BITSAT score
Yeah.
and the English proficiency test,
Yeah.
you do not require anything else. You require a passport.
You require a passport to
Okay.
give the test itself.
Yeah.
You cannot give
Okay.
IELTS or
Okay,
any
okay.
other test if you don't have a passport. So make
Cool.
a passport as
ठीक
well.
है. So those were the requirements.
Yeah.
ठीक है. So you did all these things. पूरा तुमने hassle face किया, इतना तुमने doubt face किया, and you came to BITS campus.
Yeah, I did.
So when you came to the campus, because it is a new program, generally क्या होता है कि कभी-कभी a lot of doubts
Yeah.
I get
Yeah.
कि do you face any type of differentiation on campus as compared to other students? May it be clubs, may it be departments, may it be teachers जिस तरह से deal करते हैं.
When I came to the campus, मैं खुद बहुत ज़्यादा अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट था कि नई डिग्री है, लोग क्या बोलेंगे, क्या सोचेंगे. बट देन टाइम के साथ स्पेशली जब क्लब इंडक्शंस आए तब आई वाज सरप्राइज्ड कि हाउ मेनी पीपल वांटेड टू नो अबाउट दिस एंड मैनी विश्ड कि लास्ट ईयर ऐसा प्रोग्राम आता तो शायद मैं भी इसमें होता एंड लाइक especially seniors they don't differentiate at all they're very curious like you were when we first met
Definitely.
तो वैसा ही है like very few people discriminate even if they do who cares
Who cares?
like
Yeah. That happens in every college for every.
yeah for like
Yeah. ठीक है.
but
तो-
it is very rare
ठीक है.
over here especially I would like to mention that one of my
It wouldn't be toxic probably.
Yeah,
मतलब
it is not toxic.
It's just a fun way में कभी
Yeah.
कभी ऐसा बोल दिया तो.
और like clubs
ठीक है.
and departments भी differentiate नहीं करते हैं I'm in the volleyball team as well so it
ठीक
does
है.
not differentiate at all
Got it. Well, in Goa campus in RMIT, in total कितने बच्चे होंगे तीनों कैंपस मिला के in 2+2 program?
in our batch it is around 210 220 students in the 2+2
ठीक है.
program across all campuses
ठीक है.
across all streams.
Streams. And as far as I know,
Yeah.
I had spoken to some senior from Pilani.
Yeah.
He told me that the number was around 100 in their batch, I think, very
Yeah.
low.
Yeah.
तो almost double हो गया in just
हाँ,
1 year.
yeah.
That means बहुत popular है and demand is growing.
Yeah, makes sense. Like knowledge भी बढ़ा है लोगों को last year में तो इस साल और ज़्यादा हो सकता है. Like,
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. So,
possibly.
are you expecting कि इस साल और बच्चे आए हैं as compared to last year?
I am sure about it. Like,
ठीक है. Plus I think more partner universities भी बढ़
तो
रही हैं.
और
more
seats
streams भी आ रही हैं,
बढ़ेंगी.
Seats बढ़ेंगी.
yeah.
And overall भी like you know RMIT जब start हुआ था program अभी वो बच्चे third year में होंगे. They
हाँ,
must have done with
तो,
their.
yeah.
They'll be going to Melbourne now.
We'll have their inputs as
Yeah.
well.
So it is becoming a very mature program with time.
Yeah.
And I think once those folks graduate, that will happen in next year, next to next year. उस समय पे there'll be much more clarity.
Yeah.
But अभी के लिए तो I think it's very developing and यहाँ पे मतलब BDOM में ही the office है international programs का. So they are working on it to provide better inputs and everything. Plus I think that it is not necessary कि the people who have taken these 2+2 programs are bad at academics. जैसे he himself had got a 250 one class score. I do know some other people जिनका they were getting either triple E or eco type का branch and they wanted to study abroad, so they took the
Yeah.
2+2.
That is the case with that guy who scored 9.33 CGPA from RMIT. He's not bad at academics
ठीक
at
है,
all.
हाँ. So ऐसा मत समझना कि people who do this are bad at academics. Yes, I do know कि cutoffs are lower. That is probably because it's a new degree, but I have heard that cutoffs have significantly increased.
Yep. From the last year, it has significantly increased, and I guess this year also it might increase.
ठीक है, ठीक है. So I understand कि differentiation in terms of college life तो नहीं होता.
नहीं.
But academics में is there any difference? Are there any different courses that you have to study? Anything, any different requirements that you have to fulfill before going to the RMIT or ISU, UB?
Some things as of now is in the first year, if you're in RMIT, there's a course called engineering graphics
Yeah, okay,
for
हाँ.
normal bit students, but that is replaced by engineering design for us RMIT people. So that's
Online होता है क्या?
yeah, वो online होता है telepresence classroom में directly from Australia.
ठीक है.
And उसका course structure, course grading एकदम अलग है. It's a course where like if I go into details about it, mid-sem होता है, then एक project होता
ठीक
है,
है, got
ऐसा
it.
like
It's a different,
it's a
basically,
different course.
bits में the system is quizzes, mid-sem, compre.
Compre.
You probably have a project to do that, apart
Yeah,
from that.
hands-on project
ठीक
in
है, ठीक है.
which
So that's a good insight.
yeah.
Because that means that university is probably focusing on projects and real life
Yeah.
practical applications.
Their curriculum is really hands-on.
Okay,
Really
है.
hands-on and practical.
got it.
And one more thing I would like to add is RMIT students have to do a summer term, which is basically taking 2 humanities electives. So we are doing the summer term this year,
Okay.
and there's that. Normal but students don't do that in the first year.
ठीक है.
जैसे RMIT का होता है वैसे ही आयोवा और UB का भी होता है.
अच्छा.
उन लोगों के अलग कोर्सेज रिप्लेस होते हैं लाइक फिजिक्स होता है और इंग्लिश होता है बट आई विल पुट दैट ऑन द स्क्रीन
ठीक है.
प्लीज.
Yes, we'll do that. ठीक है. So okay. So apart from the normal academics that I had done in my first year and
Yeah.
second year, you
Yeah.
are saying that today extra electives होते हैं या फिर some other things that you have to fulfill.
Yes.
Some courses that maybe you have to directly learn from them
Yes.
to complete the eligibility to be able to study.
Able to study there.
ठीक
Yes.
है. बाकी इसके अलावा any minimum CGPA ऐसा कुछ you have to maintain to get
RMIT
into?
के लिए कुछ नहीं है ऐसा कोई
ठीक है.
मिनिमम CGPA क्राइटेरिया नहीं है बट आयोवा और UB के लिए था आई गेस इस साल तक बट अभी इस साल हट
So
गया है वो.
so for the people who are watching,
Yeah.
they'll be joining from 2025 onwards. तो
Yeah.
उनके लिए नहीं है cut off.
उनके लिए कट ऑफ्स नहीं है. उनके
Students
लिए
जो
कोई
seniors
CGPA
हैं उनके
cut
लिए
off.
है.
हाँ जो सीनियर्स हैं उनके लिए है. For the Iowa and UB
Got it.
people only.
Got it. So yeah, if there are people in RMIT का degree, who said that you said that ki there is one guy who he's getting good CGPA. There will be
Yes.
other people obviously जो अच्छा
Yeah,
perform
yeah,
कर रहे
yeah,
हैं. So how is the peer group मतलब तुम्हारे 2+2 program में? How are the people and what type of people come in the international program?
To be honest, peer group is mixed, मतलब very diverse.
Okay.
No one like in a normal batch also.
Hmm.
There's no discrimination if you're from a separate branch,
ठीक
right?
है हाँ.
So वैसा ही यहाँ भी है. Like I have friends from CS, I have friends from other branches as well. Normal CS, like
Probably some other campuses also because बहुत
yeah,
कम लोग
yeah,
हैं.
yeah. बहुत like I have friends all over. So branches या फिर वो आपके peer group पे affect नहीं करेगा. That's how you make
ठीक
friends.
है.
So
It's
there's
very
that.
inclusive.
It's very inclusive. It's very
Okay.
inclusive.
That is more important.
Yeah.
I think overall bits का culture ही थोड़ा inclusive है.
हाँ.
It's not very
Especially वो
toxic, हाँ.
seniors के साथ तो
हाँ.
बहुत ज़्यादा है तो.
Got it. And what's beautiful is that now the students who are watching this video, when they come to campus, they will have people like you
Yeah.
जो actively involved हैं in the
हाँ.
process and they're trying to get the doubts answered. कि मतलब अगर कुछ clear नहीं है from the admin या फिर RMIT, then you go and get it cleared.
हाँ.
तो
I'll be there for
Yeah,
you guys.
there will be less number of doubts. So that's a good thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think इसके अलावा भी apart from the culture in bits, I'm pretty sure that RMIT UB में I've heard UB में बहुत सारे Indians पढ़ते हैं
हाँ,
and
like एक तो
so-
अमेरिका है तो लाइक
हाँ.
वहाँ पे इंडियंस है
तो-
तो यूबी में काफ़ी अच्छा इंडियन कल्चर है इफ़ यू
Okay.
वांट टू गो और तुम्हें कल्चर डिफरेंसेस की दिक्कत है तो वो नहीं होने वाली है
ठीक है.
तो
It's going to be quite comfortable.
क्वाइट कंफर्टेबल फॉर यू
Very good, very good. ठीक है. ठीक है. So one very important question. You get a degree from BITS Pilani, one of the most reputed colleges in India.
यस
You get a degree from Buffalo, Iowa,
RMIT.
RMIT, one of the most reputed colleges in the world and in their countries.
Yeah.
So, what are the job opportunities after you are done with your international degree?
For the job opportunities, you can actually stay over there, and they don't have a placement wala thing. They have job shops where they help you get jobs and
Okay.
internships
Okay.
from the college.
Hmm.
Like anywhere in the world, it is not a thing like ki
Placement is not a thing, हाँ.
placement is not a thing.
It's
like
only in India.
yeah, it's only in India.
ठीक है.
So they help you with job shops. They have very great job shops and stuff.
Also, मतलब it's like a fair
Fair.
job fair.
Job fair.
ठीक है.
It's
A
a
lot of
job
companies
fair.
come.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then if you don't want to stay over there, you can come back to India and
ठीक है.
you can sit in placements over here as well.
Got it.
So
Got it.
you
So
have
can use,
option.
You
Yeah.
can use both your degrees
Yeah.
simultaneously.
Yeah, yeah,
It's ऐसा नहीं है कि you are going बाहर तो तुम्हें बस वही
वही
degree
degree
you
use
can be a ठीक है. You can
It's
use
your
degree.
choice. It's your choice basically.
Got it.
Yeah.
And I think अभी तक तो we cannot tell much about the
Placements.
numbers या फिर internship stipend जो भी है because किसी को अब तक मिला ही नहीं है अब तक पहुंचे ही नहीं लोग वहाँ तक
Like-
सबसे सीनियर लोग थर्ड ईयर में हैं.
हाँ अभी
तो
जाएंगे थर्ड
third
ईयर
year
में
में जाएंगे.
Yeah.
So next year जब लोग फोर्थ ईयर में जाएंगे then वो सीजन स्टार्ट होगा we'll slowly start to know about the numbers and उस समय maybe we can share
Yeah.
more about it.
I'll
तो अभी के लिए तो
surely
there is no direct information about placements but I am pretty optimistic about this program because I think that कि कोई अगर 2 साल इंडिया में बिता के 2 साल बाहर बिताता है एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग बहुत ग्रो करता है
हाँ,
कैरेक्टरिस्टिक में.
मेक सेंस एंड लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपोजर मिलता है इस
हाँ.
चीज़ से मैं तो
Yeah.
मानता हूँ तो
कॉस्मोपॉलिटन रीजन में when you go मेलबर्न हो गया यूएस हो गया you get
the
a lot
living
of
standards will
Yeah,
also
living
raise
standards will
for
increase.
sure.
Your mindset will change as a person and I am pretty sure that overall एक काफ़ी अच्छा डेवलपमेंट होगा of you as a human being before you graduate. So that's very good. बाकी तुम कुछ तो फन फैक्ट बता रहे थे about
हाँ,
RMIT.
हाँ
हाँ.
एक फन फैक्ट है RMIT स्पेशल. तो हम लोग कुछ दिन में लाइक इन 7 to 8 days now we are going on a fully funded immersion trip to Melbourne, Australia for the RMIT campus visit, and there will be a lot of things including in that. Like I have the whole itinerary, so like we'll go to piers and stuff, and then they basically book a whole arcade for you to play.
Got it. Okay.
They make you stay in the 4-star or 5-star hotel, so there's that. तो we'll go to like हम लोग वहाँ पे alumni से भी मिलेंगे. जो बिट्स के alumni है वो
Okay.
भी आएंगे. वो like basically
जो
there's
मेलबर्न
a-
में बेस्ड है
हाँ,
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में बेस्ड है.
वो हमें एक डिनर ट्रीट देते हैं. हाँ तो वो कल्चर भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. We'll meet many people over there. We'll see. After the immersion trip, we'll get like all the doubts cleared. कि job scenarios क्या होने वाले हैं, how does that system work and stuff. We'll get to know that as well.
Got it. Got it. ठीक है. ठीक है. अभी I think pretty much every important जो doubt होता है that any student has we have talked about.
Yep.
But I have a question for you as a
Yes.
senior. You have spent 1 year doing this degree and you have interacted with people who have been doing it for the last 2 years. So do you think that this entire program that BITS is offering is worth it? Should a student consider joining it or it's not really something that they should go for?
Look, this as from an Indian's perspective, this degree is expensive, no doubt, but it is worth it if you want to have a more practical approach than
ठीक है
just having like
ठीक है
old curriculum जो चल रहा है
ठीक
उस
है
पे उससे बेटर है ये. I'll tell you why. अब हमारा जो एक कोर्स था ED,
हम्म,
that was way more practical than any course over which I have studied here in BITS.
ठीक है
तो वो वाला चीज़ वहाँ पे you will get the knowledge of that,
ठीक है
and BITS theoretical तो like
हम्म,
काफ़ी crazy
Yeah.
पढ़ाता है. So
ठीक है ओके
there's that. So you get the best of both worlds. If you are sure you want to go outside,
Hmm.
so you're getting it for cheap if like rather
Yeah,
than there.
going
So
on to plus I think it's relatively easier वहाँ पे competition will be so
वही
much ना to
like
answer
directly
SATs,
जाने
हाँ,
में ज़्यादा competition है as
competition है,
compared to coming over here
Yeah.
initially.
Yeah.
अभी तो like वही
ठीक है.
scene है.
So this is a very niche program only for those students जिन लोगों को थोड़ा hands on experience चाहिए
Yep.
and who want to move abroad
Yes.
and who can also afford this entire
Yeah.
ठीक है
A lot of people have asked me कि is there a loan वाला thing which is available? तो हाँ SBI लोन देता है 50 लाख तक का like
है.
no collateral,
okay
and for these third and fourth year they'll directly transfer your money over there, so
Okay.
no international charges.
okay
ऐसा कुछ नहीं लगता है. तो एक लोन वाला ऑप्शन है अगर आप उतना बड़ा लोन लेने में कंफर्टेबल हो तो.
ठीक है
So that
ठीक है
is one thing
ठीक है.
to add.
Okay, but I am pretty sure from my some of my batchmates and some of my friends, people who go abroad generally do take a loan.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है कि you know they're funding their full fees by themselves. They're
That's what
obviously
mostly all
Indians
of us
do.
do, right?
हाँ,
Like
ठीक है
over here in BITS as well.
cool. ठीक है, that was just the one question that I had. So overall, मतलब your experience so far has been good
Good.
and
No complaints
no
whatsoever.
complaints whatsoever. And I'm pretty sure that for the juniors joining, it is going to be better because और streamlined हो जाएंगे processes
Yep.
और established हो जाएंगे systems. More universities are going to come, so there'll be more diversity.
Yeah.
And probably 5 years later, when I am an alumni, जब मैं
You'll come back
I'll
and
come back and
you'll
I'll be
see.
like बाप रे इतने सारे
तो
अलग-अलग
हाँ.
देश के लोग हैं यहाँ पे.
Yep.
That will be a good experience to have. ठीक है, thank you so much Avi for coming on the channel.
Thank you भैया.
I hope जो भी doubt students को थे about 2+2 programs we have covered in this video, and anything that you would like to say at the end of the video to the students for BITSAT and
All the best. पहले तो like BITSAT is around the corner, so
Yeah.
all the best.
So you can also comment on the video. I'll
Yeah.
ask him to just reply to
Yeah.
the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Moreover, if you want to get a deeper insight about how to go about this 2+2 application, फिर as I said एक separate form भरना पड़ता है RMIT के लिए. कुछ भी doubt है about IELTS and whatever, then you can check out the product that we have linked in the description. It is specially created for BITS 2+2 programs using people who are studying in RMIT program as well as UB and ISU. So make sure to check that out if you're interested. बाकी moreover, more than this, याद रखना है कि BITSAT 2025 को साथ में फोड़ना है हमको. So keep studying and I'll see you on campus.
Yep.